Hey folks, it's time to replace this pantry door nut trim. Yeah, we're not going to be reusing that. So it's pretty easy to go ahead and get those taken off. Pop a spring out and take the doors. Thankfully, that was the easy part. Next, we're going to cut around the trims. Make sure we don't pull any of the paint away. Measure out. Everything needs to be nice and even. Yeah, don't come at me. I know the trim needs to be updated too, but we're going to go something a little bit wider, a little bit more contemporary, something that flows with the kitchen look that we're trying to create. So that's the look I'm going for. And just kind of simple stuff. Pop in some nail holes, put some schmutz, some wood putty schmutz on it. Make sure that you get a nice clean area to paint on. The PSA: don't pick your nose while you're doing that, because it wouldn't end well. Or do your ear, or scratch your butt. Man, next is caulking. We're reaching the finish line over here. Less is more. Bucket with some water and a sponge or a towel and your finger. That will go ahead and get that caulk laid out really good. Cover those gaps, make everything look nice and seamless on it. Then you can paint. I use probably about 2 or 3 coats, set in really nice gloss, and you're at the finish line if that's really it. But for me, nope. I want to go ahead and build a door. Man, don't make fun of my drawing skills, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for staying with me this long. Hey man, give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, follow along, and I'll do more. So, see ya.